And I'm so sad that I am leaving. I'm gonna miss you guys so much. We've cried, we've laughed, we've done the love map, we've talked about the vision board. So I think we're good for Assis has died nearly. Hey, my beautiful beloveds. Oh my God, I love you guys so much. I'm so excited to be here. I literally was just on my computer reading your messages. They're so beautiful. I love you guys so much. And it's funny because, you know, I sit here and I talk into a camera. And, you know, I know that that goes to you guys. But it's the messages that really keep me connected to you. I love when you guys message me. I mean, I read them every single day. I just want you guys to know, even if I haven't answered everybody, I have literally read every single message, and I love you guys so much. So in the last, which video was it? We have a couple things to talk about today. So first of all, so just to put you guys at ease, because I know you're all like going, oh my God, is she leaving? Is she really leaving? I hope she's not leaving. And I don't want to wig you guys out. So I am taking some time. I'm going to be taking some time from making videos. I will be back on Saturday, May 18th. So there won't be videos next week or the week after, and I'll be back that following Saturday. But I have a super exciting project that I've been invited to work on, and I'm really excited. It's a wonderful opportunity, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, which I will do when I come back. And when I'm back, we're gonna do the vision board video. Next, my beloveds, oh my gosh, you guys were so amazing about the love map. I was so excited. I was up last night and I was literally putting pins into the love map. I'm about halfway through, so this is what I did, you guys. And I'm so excited about this. There were probably over 150 of you guys in last Saturday's video who messaged me saying, hi, my name is so-and-so, and here's the city and state that I'm from. It was amazing. So what I did was I went and I took a screenshot of every single one of your messages. And I went and I put it into a folder. And then what I did, I was doing this all last night. What I did was I went on to Google Maps, and what I did was I clicked and opened up each one of your messages, and I saw where you were from, and I typed it into Google Maps. And it's so cool because what happens is that the map literally goes like this, and it goes right to where you are. Here's the cool part about that. It's literally like I'm connecting with you guys. So it's like it's the closest thing to me actually coming to visit you guys. In the Google map, what happens is it actually shows me on the map exactly where you're from. And then it shows a picture of the place where you're from. And it's so beautiful. So what I do is that I go ahead and I put the pin in. Now, you're officially on the love map. Okay, let's keep going. I have to tell you guys, the new love map is amazing. Everything about it, because, you know, Assis was making fun of me. The old love map, I got to hand it to Assis. The old love map, you guys know I loved it. And the reason I loved it is because it was filled with love from all of you guys and where you're from. And so that's why it was special. But, you know, it is kind of rather-tattered. I mean, let's be real. And when Assis got this new one, like he went online and ordered it for me. It's beautiful. Everything about it is perfect. Except there's one flaw. It's not a fatal flaw, but it is a little flaw. The pins don't very easily go. It's so well made that the pins don't actually go into the map. So you guys can see why it took me all night just to get this many. Okay, I had to literally last night, you guys, hammer in the pin into the love map. I was doing this for hours. So this is our hammer. This is our love hammer that hammers in the pins into the love map for you guys. But it's worth it because I really want this love map to be beautiful for you guys. And it is. It's so amazing. And here's the thing. This is only, see all the pins here? all these pins are only about 1/2 of everyone who told me just last week where they're from. There's like thousands and thousands of people who have told me where they're from. And I have to transfer all the pins from the love map from last time. So I'm committed to putting all the pins for the love map in for you guys. And every time I hammer it in, I send you guys love. There's something so beautiful about actually seeing on a map where each one of you is from. It makes it real. It makes it like, it really makes that concept that I came up with, that's vortex of infinite possibility, that we really circle the globe together, all of us really circle the globe. It makes me realize how really connected we are, and how powerful putting this on the love map for all of us really is. So I hope you guys feel the same way, because for me, it's a really deeply moving experience to see where each one of you guys is from. And oh, so for all of you guys, if you haven't already, I'm committed to putting everybody on the love map. So message me below and let me know where you're from, if you can, city and state. It helps me find you guys better on the map. And let me tell you, it's not easy on that map, because you have to literally look on the Google map and then go find the country, because nothing's marked down. So I told you it was a geography lesson for me. Okay, so we have our Nicaraguan friends already. Okay, Honduras here. It's allowing me to really discover our world. Like it's your world, it's my world, and it's making it seem like, I know it sounds really kind of quaint, but it's making it seem like a small world when I look at it that way. It's really special. Okay, I'm gonna hear the "It's a small world after all." But that's so corny. But that's kind of how it feels. Okay, so let me see if there's anything else I want to tell you guys. I have not forgotten about the program. There's so much from my book, and there's so much from the talks that I give, because I give a lot of talks around the world. And there's so much from the content that I share with my private clients. I really want to make this program like bellissima. I want to make it the absolute best for you guys. So I'm taking a little extra time. It's like everything's outlined already, but I want to put the icing on the cake. I really want to make it so special for you guys, so that when you go through it, it's the absolute best of the best of me that I can give you guys. That makes me kind of cry. But it is, so, because I really love you guys a lot, and I want to give you guys so much. I know, oh God. Okay, so I have to tell you guys this while I'm crying. When you guys send me your messages, they really make me cry. Like, they really make me cry. And Cease laughs at me. I cry. And like, sometimes he'll be going through Facebook or through Instagram or through YouTube, and he'll be like, "Oh, Elizabeth, I have to read this to you." He's like, "Don't cry. Don't cry." But of course I cry anyway, because it's really touching. I mean, guys, really gonna make me cry. It
touches you in all the right places.
Thank you, Cease. What it is that it's why we're here. It's why I'm here, for sure. I started this channel to connect with all of you. So to be able to do that, like, is really amazing to me. I'm like, oh my God, like, it's a dream come true for me. And I love that so much. And I know sometimes it's funny. Sometimes in my videos before, and I realize in this moment, I realize why I did it. I would race through things. And I think I would race through things because I didn't want to cry, because I didn't want to seem like a boohoo baby. If you race through something, you don't stop long enough to be touched by it. But if you stop and really feel it, like I'm feeling all of you guys right now, and my love, I love you guys so much, like my love for you guys. I literally, before this video, was working on the love map, and I was reading all your messages. And when I stop, oh, I'm really boohooing like a baby. Please get me a tissue. Please. Oh, God. Okay. When somebody, anybody, especially me, who likes to race through things, when we stop and really feel, we really feel. And there's so much power in really feeling. And I know so many of you guys, oh my God, so many of you guys have messaged me saying, Dr. Elizabeth, thank you so much for being vulnerable. Thank you for opening up. I mean, I know with the story I told about my family, and kind of more everything, like even here in this video, you know, just like breathing, taking a breath, and like letting, you know, all my true feelings like bubble up. Oh my God, I asked to cease.
I didn't find a tissue.
I asked to cease for a tissue. This is what he gave me. Okay, oh my God. Seriously? Do I have makeup all over my face? You sure? Because black's running everywhere. Okay. I can't even blow my... I can't... Okay. Can't believe you
I'm
can't.
just trying not to die.
Okay, so Assis, you know, even having this video today, I'm really grateful for, because Assis got food poisoning last night. And most people wouldn't have even shown up for work today. But he knew we needed to do this video, especially because we're not going to have a video until May 18th. So he showed up. He's literally on my bed, like running between the bathroom and laying back on the bed while I'm filming this. And it's like really... So everybody, you guys, okay, whoever appreciated this video today, you have to message, you have to give Assis a special message below saying thank you, because this video would not have happened if it wasn't for him getting out of bed and getting himself here, even though he was so sick he couldn't even drive. He literally had to Uber here, or Lyft. You lifted here. Yeah, he's really dying. So, so message below and tell him how much you appreciate him. Okay, so now okay, so what was I saying before I boo-hooed? Oh yeah, just, where were we? Hang on. Let me remember. Oh, so just this connectedness and how much it touches me. And it's funny, so I just want to finish my thought about, this profound realization that I'm having, and that I want to really share with you, is that when we don't rush through our life, when we don't try to, like, you know, I really see how I've been doing that and not like breathing and being in the moment when I make these videos for you guys. And when we do that, we really get to our authentic feelings. And my authentic feelings for you guys are really, 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 really deep. I really love you guys a lot. And you guys touch me every single time. Like I said, Assis is always laughing at me. He's like, I can't read this message to you because, oh, and then you guys send me an email message too. This is beautiful all the time. So, yeah, thank you. So let's see what else do we have to say. I think that's it. Just to recap, you guys are going to prep for your vision board video, which we're going to do on May 18th. In whatever way you can. If you haven't already, go get your Cleverfox, because they're amazing. I'm going to be using, so just so you guys know, I'm going to be using the Cleverfox in the program that I am going to be launching. So if you guys want, Cleverfox was amazing. They offered all of you guys a special discount. And so make sure if you go, use the link, and then make sure you use the discount code Dr. Elizabeth. I'm going to put that all right there. And then let's see what else. I think, is that it? You're gonna do that if you guys want, prepare. Otherwise, we'll walk through it together on May 18th, so it's not no pressure. The next thing we're gonna do, you guys are gonna tell me where you're from, city and state, and so I can put you guys on the love map. Oh, I knew there was one other thing we had to tell you guys. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to take every one of the messages. I mean, and when I say everyone, I mean every single person who messages me saying the city and state that they're from. I'm going to go ahead and put each message, but probably 10 at a time, onto my Instagram stories. So for however long it takes, I'm going to be doing that. So if you guys haven't told me already, make sure you message me below and let me know where you're from, because I am going to feature each one of you guys on my Insta stories. And so if you're not following me on Instagram, why are you not following me? Go over and follow me. I do a lot of really fun stuff, inspiring posts every single day. I do stories. I'm so excited about this. We're going to be starting to do IGTV, which I'm really excited about. So there's a lot of cool stuff there. I think that's it. I've cried. We've cried, we've laughed, we've done the love map, we've talked about the vision board. So I think we're good for Assis has died. Nearly. Send him some love, you guys, really. And I think that's it. Remember, no videos until May 18th. I will be back on May 18th. And in the meantime, go back and watch my other videos. And let's see what else. Just, I love you guys. I love you. Just to infinity and back. I love you so, 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 so much. And remember, I say this every single time because it's so true. You can do this. You can do this. And I'm here to support you every step of the way. I love you guys. Ciao. And I'll see you guys on May 18th.